So guys, I'm gonna take you today to the snow. Today's March 15 of 2020. I just got from Costa Rica 3 days ago, and today, as you are seeing, it's raining. It means that in the mountain it's gonna be snowing. I haven't been in the snow, let me see, last time was in Nepal last year that I did a beautiful trek for 5 days, reaching 4,300 meters height. If you haven't seen the video, please go and watch it. I'm gonna put it up here. So I'm very excited that it has been 1 year since I went to the snow. Hi! What are we doing here? We're in the store trying to get some chains for our car, our little car, while Kyle is very frustrated. Who find it really stupid that in a perfectly good road they are making us buy chains. Got them! Look how it is outside. So this is how it looks like. This is the first time I see this. The first time I'm gonna use it. So let's see. Oh my god, we did it. We're genius. Huh. Oh, my hands, guys, my hands. He's very excited to go outside. The way you feel the car, it's like bumping and sliding. It's pretty adventurous. We made it. It was a hard road. Hooray for Kyle, he's really good at it. I was just like, ah! So guys, look at this. It looks really cold. Look. Oh my god. Kiss, calls. It's 1:30 and we have until 4. That means that we have only 3 hours and a half to have fun. Let's go.
comes a guy
Whoa.
skiing.
Woohoo.
That's what you look like.
Oh my God, now we stop.
Oh, the lift stopped.
Jesus Christ.
Sometimes when the chairlift stops, they have to evacuate you with a rope.
What?
Yeah,
Are you fucking kidding me?
I did it.
You did it?
They take a rope and they throw it over this cable, and the rope has a little chair on it, and then they lower you with the chair.
Well, I don't know. That would sum up another scary thing to do
Good
today.
day.
They say that you have to do scary stuff to maintain yourself healthy and young and the whole deal. So here I am in the snow doing the scary things. Half of my face is completely frozen. I feel that I'm talking a little bit weird because like my jaw is frozen. It's totally worth it.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
And then we basically just ride this cat track back down to the lift.
I'm gonna film you make a powder turn down here.
I don't know if I can have speed for it here, Kyle.
Woo. That's our friend Amon. Amon and I have been snowboarding together for like 25 years. Or something. There she goes. Oh shit. What happened? Do you need the ski patrol?
Maybe. Might need a sled ride out.
That kid went by and waved at the camera.
Really?
Patrol! No!
Got no knee, no legs.
No. Okay, what can you do?
Turn. I can turn.
Everyone's stuck.
Yeah.
This.
I can do this shit. That's how you do it. I barely can speak. My my mouth is completely frozen. But it has been one of the most fun days of my life. So this is our car. Look at these things made in the car. Kyle just fall into the ground, like he didn't fall snowboarding, and he fall at the end. And Carmen's a beach, and Sammy laughed, and immediately she almost fall.
Snow, the snow said you're going down too.
Yeah. So we made it, we survived, but we cannot say that we're completely safe because we're on our way back in a really difficult road. But here, Mr. Clancy, well, nobody's choking. He really knows how to drive in snow, something that I don't know how to, so we're gonna be perfect. Perfectly safe.
Just don't slow down and don't stop and don't turn.
Don't slow down, don't stop, don't turn. But if you need to turn,
Don't.
but if you need to, like right now, we're gonna turn to the right.
I'm going to ease my way onto this street here.
Ooh, ease with ease.
Yes, don't turn, just ease your way at an angle.
Okay, now we are on the main road at least.
Good.
Are you hungry?
Very hungry. No, it's better not to have it.
Ta-da! Veggie burger.